Yes. In question number 12, it says in a parallelogram ABCD, P is a midpoint of DC, Q is a point on AC, so that CQ is equal to 1 by 4 AC. PQ produced BC at R meets at R. Prove that R is a midpoint of BC. Given, you can see I have constructed the figure already. ABCD is a parallelogram. P is a midpoint of CD. Q is a point on AC such CQ is equal to 1 by 4 AC. Now PQ is produced to meet BC at R. To prove R is midpoint of BC. Now solution, let BD joint. Is it? Now in triangle BCD, P is a midpoint of CD, that's what, which intersect BC at R. So R is midpoint of BC according to converse of midpoint theorem. I have learned the rule, a line joining from midpoint bisect the third side, is it? Now again, situation number 2 says PR is equal to half dB. Number 2, PR is equal to 1 by 2 dB. P is a midpoint in triangle DBC. P is a midpoint of CD. R is a midpoint of BC. So PR parallel to BD and PR and PR half BD. Midpoint theorem. So just this is done. First one is converse of midpoint theorem. Second one is midpoint theorem. Please write it. Question number 13, it says, in a parallelogram ABCD, M is a midpoint of AC. X and Y are the points on AB and CD respectively, such that AX is equal to CY. Prove that triangle AXM is congruent to triangle CYM and XMY is a straight line. So let us draw the figure first of all. Question number 13. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. in which M is a midpoint of AC. Now AC is joined, M is a midpoint of AC. Clear? Second, it says X and Y are the points on AB and CD. So maybe this point I am writing for X and this point I am writing for Y, such that CY is equal to AX. Now here it says prove triangle AXM. So XM is congruent to triangle MYC. Is it given? ABCD is a parallelogram. M is a midpoint of AC. X and Y are the points on AB and CD respectively, such AX is equal to CY. To prove triangle AXM is congruent to triangle CYM. Okay. Now you see AX is equal to CY given. Angle AMX is equal to angle CMY, vertically opposite angles, and AM is equal to MC. Why? M is a midpoint of AC. So side angle this side we cannot take this like this, no situation we have. So what we are going to do, we are not going to take this. We'll take angle, this angle, and this angle is an alternate angle. So angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. We can write angle MAX is equal to angle YCM or MCY, alternate angles. So triangle AXM is congruent to triangle CYM AAS condition. Now once the triangle is congruent, we proved. So we can write it MX is equal to MY. What does it mean? M is the midpoint of Y, it is equal CP CTC. So M is the midpoint of XY. That's what XMY is a straight line. Proved. This is the second proof where you have to prove X and Y is a straight line. Question number 14 is a homework. Question number 14 and 15 is a homework that you have to do. So homework you have question number 14 and 15. Next day we will be solving question number 16. Till then keep practicing. Thank you dears.